how does it feel like to be sort of part of building that language sort of like really from the starting point?
It's not like I build the language, I just build the tools for me.
Okay,
and honestly, I feel
help
miserable.
build the tools around. Yeah.
I feel rather miserable because I'm stupid. You don't notice it that hard before you go into something that's very rapidly development. Or maybe I just picked the wrong domains before. And anyway, that's very rapid development thing, and it's a crazy entry level in a sense that it's very user friendly. You just pick a couple of custom comments, run them, and the whole project is run, tested, installed on your local machine.
Yeah.
So you can start development if you know the ecosystem instantly. And that breeds lots of people from everywhere. You can see people, for instance, who build web service, and they come with their feedback or come with their improvements. And that guy, he built that himself, like alone, and he knows like 10 times more than me, and he just shares his ideas how to do things. And you don't even have that level of context because you don't have, education, something. And there are lots of those guys who come in, suggest something, and you just scratch your head and see like, okay, I need to learn more. That's why it's usually like that. On the other hand, it's very uplifting when you get those features in and you get some highlight. For instance, on Reddit there is a GIF that shows, come on, we get an auto completion in attributes now, and everybody's like, yeah, I've been waiting there. I always try and resist the urge and say something, yeah, I've done that, come on, give me some karma. No, but I mean, that's very, very cool. And that's kind of driving, I guess. Plus actually the convenience, because that, well, it's not usually true, of course, not always true, but that feeling that you can come and just adjust something the way you want, the way you like, that helps a lot. At least usually what helps, what's cool now is there are lots of people who come after you. It's usually the way it comes is like people come, spend a couple of months, that was my case, half a year or something, just working there, and they just drop out. Because people find a better job, as had happened in my place, the one that I'm getting paid for, that's like a free thing. Or because they don't have time, which is again my case, thanks kids. So lots of reasons. But the thing is that what's cool is that whenever the people come with the questions, you can answer them, and whenever you've built an infrastructure, like I've done, for instance, this inlay or these hints I've been talking about, there have been lots of things built by those guys, like for actually determining the types. But I've built the API that unites that and shows in the actual editor. And then come another people and implement things on top of you with a minimal thing, just asking you a couple of questions like, how do I do that? This, and that. And you give these answers and feel yourself like a person who knows something. And that's also cool because, well, I like mentoring people maybe this way. I don't have enough knowledge to mentor in this domain. But yeah. So this misery is kind of motivating. I think that's exactly what they say, get out of comfort zone, what this means.
Yeah.